My next question is, if you're not in favor of E-Verify, what can you do about illegal immigration and its impact in Oklahoma?
Yeah, and I sort of touched on that a little bit with obviously closing the border, which Trump has done, and the aggressive action ICE has taken, which I fully support, even to the point of blowing up boats in the Gulf of America,
Gulf of
you
America.
know, the cocaine boats running cocaine to America and who knows what else. And so to take care of that, I fully support that. Let's keep it from coming in the first place. And then next step, states like Oklahoma working with ICE, working with the federal agents coming in here to capture the illegals and deport them. I think so far we've done a good job of that as a state. I would like to continue that. Recently, there was a crackdown on truck drivers. This has been an ongoing concern of
Yeah.
illegal truck drivers in the nation. Thankfully, in Oklahoma, we passed SB 2, I believe was the number, that dealt with truck drivers who are here illegally driving under. They still have a CDL, but um, they're not valid citizens, and so there was a crackdown on this. I think it was 34 or 36 that were arrested because they were not legal citizens of this nation driving on our highways. Very dangerous.
Yeah.
And so thankfully Oklahoma worked with ICE agents to crack down on that. I think we need more of that. I appreciate Governor Stitt's Operation Guardian that dealt with inmates who are illegal. So we were paying for the room and board of illegals that are housed in our prison system. So I thought that was a good move to go ahead and deport them to their country of origin rather than us paying to keep them here. So there are some good moves we've already been making. I want to continue that and even empower our law enforcement, the Highway Patrol here, OSBI, to do what is necessary to discover those who are here illegally and turn them over to the federal agents that
Yeah.
deal with this.
So, what about in our schools? I know there was, if I remember correctly, I think Jason Murphy did an article on this. There was legislation that it didn't pass, but it had to do with tracking the expense of the
Mm,
children of illegal immigrants in
right.
schools. So, is that something you are in favor of? Is that something that could maybe help
I
in this
do. I do
situation?
think it would help, and I am in favor of that. I know that there is precedent set in case law that says that states have to provide this education to illegal to the children of illegal immigrants here, which I disagree with. I don't think that a state should be forced to provide education to children of those who are here illegally. I don't think that makes sense. Nonetheless, if that is what is going to be forced, I think we should at least know what it's costing us.
Yeah.
100%. And so we should crunch those numbers, and that should be, that's something Ron Walters really prioritized, and I was in agreement with him on that, that we should at least know what it's costing us to educate the kids here who are children of illegal immigrants. That
Yeah.
makes sense.
I don't know how you plan for it. I don't know how you budget for it if you don't know. I mean, any business owner is going to know this aspect of my business costs this amount. So you
Right.
budget for it, you plan for it.
Right.